viewers, welcome to Nausheen's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make buffalo chicken dip. I will need lots of chicken and lots of buffalo flavor sauce. So please stay with me while I'm going to cook my chicken, while I'm going to make the buffalo chicken dip today. Hooter's sauce. This is the main ingredients I'm going to use. Hooter's buffalo sauce. এটাকে লেখা আছে wing sauce, but it's Hooter's buffalo sauce. You can get any other sauce that will have buffalo in it. That means not the buffalo animal, where the buffalo flavor will be there. You can use it. আজকে আমি বন্ধুরা আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো যে রেসিপিটা, সেটা হচ্ছে buffalo chicken dip. I would like to show you the ingredients we need for this particular dip. Here we have 2 pounds of cube chicken. Cube means আমি এভাবে কিউব করেছি. Cube chicken, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 1 pack of Philadelphia cream cheese. Obviously I showed you we need the buffalo sauce, 1 cup of sour cream. We are ready to make the buffalo chicken dip. We need half a cup of olive oil, which we are going to heat up. Now I'm going to add my chicken cubes here. No spice, only the chicken cube, and I'm going to cook it in a medium heat at least for 20 minutes until all these chickens are going to be white. So I have to make sure chicken guloke I turn as it's going to be cooked. I have to make sure it's a little bit moist, so I added some water here, like I would say half a cup of water. So এই chicken গুলো যেন dry না হয়ে যায়. So now I will wait until all this liquid evaporates. Chicken guloke we have to turn them around. Chickenটা is all done. It's all cooked properly. এখন I'm going to transfer this chicken into a different bowl. এগুলো আমার sauteed chicken. এখন এগুলোকে আমি shred করব. So I need 2 fork, and এই fork দিয়ে আমি আস্তে আস্তে কাটিং বোর্ডের উপরে চিকেনগুলোকে shred করব. So you can see how I'm shredding. Now you can see how all the chickens are shredded now. So I'm going to pour this one in a bowl. Now I'm going to use all my ingredients. 1 cup of cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream. Then I'm going to pour from this bottle Hooter sauce. I'm going to add the whole bottle to give the tangy smell. And then I'm going to mix it really very well. Now I will add the shredded cheddar cheese. Again, I will mix it well. Now I'm going to pour this in a rectangular baking dish. Here is my medium-sized baking dish. I'm going to pour all my batter here. I will make sure everything is even. I will make sure everything is even. Now I'm going to heat the oven in 350 degree and bake it for 20 minutes. My dip will be done.
Viewers, hope you like my recipe for buffalo chicken dip. Whenever you have time, try this one. It's really good. আবার দেখা হবে. Don't forget to subscribe Nausheen's channel.